I once had a conversation with a kid who told me, "I hate talking to people." "Why?" I asked. "Because people make me anxious," he replied. Then he said something that stopped me in my tracks. "All I need is a video game, a hamburger, and a bong, and I'm good." And that right there sums up what's wrong with society. We're living in a world where isolation is easier than connection. Social media, texting, and video games let us communicate without ever truly interacting. But what happens when a generation grows up avoiding life instead of experiencing it? Here's the truth. The more you avoid discomfort, the more it controls you. Social anxiety doesn't disappear by hiding, it grows. And the more disconnected we become, the harder it is to break free from the cycle of avoidance. You are more than you think. Discomfort isn't the enemy. Avoidance is. What are the disadvantages of living in a society disconnected from each other? Challenge yourself to have one real-world interaction today. No texting, no screens, just human connection. Drop a link in the comments if you're choosing connection over avoidance. Don't forget to like and share. The more you avoid life, the smaller your world becomes. Step outside the shell. It's time to work on your purpose.